Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this beautiful big package of Layers chili. I love the chili flavors. The Layers comes in many different variety of flavors, but I especially love the chili one, and the green one is also yum. It just tastes like cheese. So today I'm gonna open this pack of Layers chili, and this is how it looks like. Net weight in gram, where it is, I can see. Can you see? Where is the net weight written? Oh, over here, 170 gram. Very small, it's written. I can't see. Over here the nutritional information is mentioned, and all the ingredients which are used in producing it is mentioned over here. And let's open it. So today's video I'm going to show you how is the best way to open it. Just take a small scissor and cut from between, like small, like this, right? Now what you need to do, you need to open it like this, like this, like this, like this. In this way you can eat and place it in your table and eat it continuously. It is amazing. The crispiness, you can find it. How crispy it is. I love Layers. Firstly, the potato size and the thickness is very good. It's not huge thickness, it's thin chips, and the crispiness is amazing. The oil is very less. I don't find it more oily, but the taste which they mention out of the pack, it's true. It is little bit chili. I love it. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.